Hey guys, welcome to Locally Lost Book Club. This is the website I've been working on so far this semester, and I'm excited to show you guys it. So right off the bat, let's just start with this opening image. This is a feature slider showing all of the posts in my blog roll. Right now I only have one post. It's the Start Reading post, but you can click this little button and it'll take you right to the post. And as I get more posts, it'll show more in there. This is an image of the book that we'll be reading in June with some reviews of that book that come in on an automation. And if you click this picture, it'll take you right to the post that's the book review, essentially. So right now I only have the overview in there, but on this sidebar, you can purchase the book on Amazon. It'll take you straight to that link. And then it also shows other book reviews that I've done. So I have July, June, May. And then you can scroll down here and you've got the share buttons in the comments portion. And then you can just click the logo and go straight back to the home page. Scroll down past that and you can see also previous books. So you can see the book we read last month and the book we'll be reading next month. And then I just have a little bio spot down here with a little bit about me section. So this is the book reviews page with, again, all of those book reviews that are listed on this sidebar and the links to those separate posts. This is a calendar. Currently I don't have this up. I haven't been able to work on this as much as I wanted to, but eventually this will show all of the books that I'm going to read for a whole year and the books that I have read a whole year in the past. This is my shop that we set up. I'm trying to get rid of this little sidebar. I've clicked the button that says no sidebar a million times and it's just not working, so we'll figure that out. But these are the 3 products I have in there. I've got 2 buttons and a bookmark. So you can see they come in different sizes. And I have different images featuring those buttons. You can purchase those. And last thing I want to show you guys is the About page. I really like this page just because it's nice and clean. Just a little bit about me and a little bit about the page and the book club itself. So that's my site. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed and hope you have some good feedback for me.